here's the case from Amazon. That's actually a really nice box. It's like Louis Vuitton belt. So let's open it. It's actually like Apple quality. So here is the case. Wow, it's actually some thank you letter also here. You don't need that. So the case with the bumper. Please agile with the round socket above the fit. So it kind of looks like it's Apple MagSafe, or you can charge it. Let me know if you want me to test that. And additionally, on top of that, you're going to have 2 screen protectors. Additionally from the back, but for cameras. But based on the experience, that's not holding for long and actually affects on the picture quality. The most interesting is the screen protector. So the screen protector actually covers, let's see, it looks great. It's actually covering most of it. So I cannot kind of turn off, but I can turn off the phone. Otherwise on iPhone, your iPhone, you cannot turn it off completely, but I think there should be some settings. Press on how we can do it. So looks nice so far. So covering the full screen, so shouldn't be a problem. Thank you.